Universal Analytics will no longer process new data on standard properties from 1st of July 2023. And if you want to set up and switch over to Google Analytics 4, and if your website is made in WordPress, then this video is useful for you. I am right now in Universal Analytics and I can see three columns. One is account, property, and view. Now in this property, I need to go in GA4 Setup Assistant. Once you click on this, you see two options coming to you. One is I want to create a new Google Analytics 4 property. Another is I want to connect to an existing Google 4 property. So as you can see that I have not connected anything in Google Analytics 4. So I will go with get started. Once I click on this, I see this message that I can create a GA4 property. This will keep my original Universal Analytics property unchanged. It will only copy some basic settings from UA, and we need to turn on enhanced measurement to measure interactions with the content. So right now, because I just have to show you how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress website, I click on create property. Once I click on the create property, I can go to your GA4 property. You will come to this page and here you can see a unique measurement ID. Now there are two options by which you can install this GA4 unique measurement ID on your website. One is through Google Tag Manager, which I've already created a video and I will put the link in the description. Another option is through global site tag, which you need to deploy in the header section of the website. So if you click here, you can see there is a code appearing here. You just need to copy it. You can see the unique measurement ID is also there in this code. I need to copy this and I need to put this in the header section. So how to put this code in the header section of your WordPress website? For this, we will go to the WordPress website. Now log in into WordPress. After logging into WordPress, go to plugins and in plugins, go to add new. In add new, search for header and footer. You may see many plugins coming here, but this plugin, Insert Header and Footer by WP Beginner, is already installed by 1 million plus people. So I have also installed this same one. You need to install this plugin and after it, you just need to activate this plugin. Once you activate this plugin, you need to go to settings and in the settings, you can check this option Insert Header and Footer. Click on this option. Now copy this script which we have copied of global site tag here. Once you copy this script, it's in the header section. You need to save this and the installation is done.